Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play poker in Red Dead Redemption 2. First, locate a poker table in a saloon or your gang's camp. Walk up to the table and look for the prompt to interact. Once you see it, press the indicated button to sit down. You'll then be given the option to join a game, often with varying buy-in amounts. Select your preferred game to begin your poker journey. Poker in Red Dead Redemption 2 follows standard Texas Hold'em rules. Each player starts with 2 private cards, known as hole cards. Throughout the game, 5 community cards are dealt face-up in the center of the table. These are dealt in 3 stages: the flop, the turn, and the river. Your objective is to combine your 2 hole cards with 3 of the 5 community cards to create the strongest 5-card poker hand possible. There are several betting rounds in each hand. After the initial deal and each set of community cards, players take turns making their moves. You can check if no one has bet a certain amount, call to match a previous bet, or raise to increase it. If your hand isn't strong, you can fold, giving up your chance to win the current pot. The player with the best hand at the end wins the chips. To improve your chances, observe your opponent's actions. Pay attention to how they bet. Aggressive players might bluff more often. Don't feel pressured to play every hand. Waiting for strong starting cards is a solid strategy. Occasionally, a well-timed bluff can win you a pot even with a weak hand, but use it sparingly. Practice and patience are key to becoming a successful poker player in the game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.